రాజ్యసభ సమావేశాలు కొనసాగుతున్నాయి. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
सभी मिलकर काम इसमें एक मैं बताना चाहता हूं आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के आदेश पर अभी लास्ट वीक ही नेशनल लैंडस्लाइड फोरकास्टिंग इंस्टीट्यूट का गठन किया गया. ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट पर ये भी काम आगे चलकर और पूरे भारत सरकार की ओर से पूरे देश में.
थैंक यू बैठिए प्लीज कैन यू टेक योर सीट. I tell you, all of us are doing great disservice. This is not the way to score a point. Please.
Sir, honorable members have raised their concern, and leader of the house has already made the position clear. Government will definitely, if the chair directs and if the house agrees, will try to come back with the details of the incident.
Can you take your seat, or you want me to that you should be out of the house? Why are you rising every time? No, please. If you are ready, you may leave. What is this,
sir? So any natural calamity is a serious concern for everyone, and as the honorable leader of the house has already mentioned, I just want to make a small clarification because two of the honorable members have said that central government has not released fund. Chidambaram ji is here, he was home minister. I handled this ministry for 5 years. Funds are always placed in advance in the beginning of the year with the state government, which is the resources pulled together by the state government and central government under SDRF. So,
please,
what is this?
Mr. John Bittas, Mr. John Bittas, if you rise any further,
he doesn't know the system.
Then I will have to make observations not palatable.
So
don't do it.
This is not the time to play politics. This is a serious matter.
Okay.
So, sir,
please, one second. I am absolutely pained. John Bittas, it is such a solemn occasion. Why? Again you are interrupting. Why? Don't allow the minister to say something. Listen to him. Then you'll have to hear me also. What I will be saying, please, bear with us. Understand, digest, and then proceed. Honorable Minister.
So, sir, already the Minister of State, the Minister of Minority Affairs, Joseph Kurian, has been sent early morning. George Kurian has been sent by the Prime Minister. He is a minister in the union government and he comes from Kerala. So he has already been sent to Kerala early morning. On top of that, the NDRF, the SDRF, the Disaster Response Force, the Central Armed Police Forces, the Indian military forces, they are already been activated and already on the job, working on the ground, and they are already there, and to connect with them, Indian Air Force has been activated. And for that matter, sir, I would like to inform the Honorable House that Honorable Leader of the House has already mentioned it. Now the issue is about immediate relief and rescue.
Yes.
Sir, in any disaster, the first step is relief and rescue. Then comes the recovery and reconstruction and rehabilitation. So we have to go by step. Right now is the time for rescue and relief. This is the most immediate requirement in any kind of any natural calamities, wherever it occurs. So, sir, my only request is to echo with the sentiments raised by all the members and the Honorable Leader of the House that government is doing everything, whatever is to be done with the coordination with the state government. But I will ask the Home Ministry to come out with a detailed report if the House wants as soon as possible.
And again, ask her to take her seat. Your member, ask her. No, honorable members, only for benefit of everyone and myself also. There is a Disaster Management Act 2005. That act has a very strong mechanism, right from district disaster management, state disaster management, national disaster management. And one of our distinguished members is Jairam Ramesh. While the bill was being taken into consideration in 2005, he made very elaborate submissions. I would urge the members there is a mechanism in place. Once you activate that mechanism, things automatically move in tandem. And it is a case where even during the night, all who are to act are acting. Shri Vivek Tankha, concern over unavailability of NCERT books.
So let me start with an homage to the people we lost in Wayanad. But my subject today is the new academic session which has begun, and NCERT books are out of stock. Sir, Lucknow city itself has more than 5 lakh students who are facing this shortage, sir. As Nelson Mandela said, no country can really develop unless its citizens are educated. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. There are 10,22,000 government schools and 82,480 government-aided schools, sir. 26 crore students are studying up to class 12, out of which 12 crore students are in government schools, sir. The problem is that under the RTA Act, the curriculum is set by the NCERT. And the NCERT is the agency which has to ensure distribution of books. And there's a huge shortage of books after the academic session started in April, sir. To the extent that even the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has been writing to schools to make these books available. But unless these books reach the states and the towns and the cities, sir, it is very difficult for students to study. So putting it in short, sir, like one suggestion is for long term, like we have blood banks, why can't we have book banks? Why think in new terms? Because there's a huge population which has to be addressed. And with the change of syllabus coming every time, these things get delayed, sir. So without taking too much time, it's my appeal to the central government and NCERT to make these books available at the earliest to the crores of students who are waiting for to study, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shri Ramjilal Suman demand to establish a bench of Allahabad High Court in Western Uttar Pradesh.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आपका आभार प्रकट करता हूं। सर, आगरा में 1866 से लेकर के 1868 तक नॉर्थ ईस्ट प्रोविंस के में हाई कोर्ट की स्थापना हुई और इसके बाद ये 2 वर्षों बाद हाई कोर्ट इलाहाबाद स्थानांतरित हो गया। 1956 में प्रथम ऑल इंडिया हाई कोर्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस की बैठक हुई जिसमें पुणे आगरा में हाई कोर्ट की बेंच स्थापित करने की मांग उठी। सर, 1966 में उपरोक्त हाई कोर्ट की 100वीं वर्षगांठ मनाई गई, जिसके 3 हफ्ते इलाहाबाद में और 1 हफ्ता आगरा में कार्यक्रम हुए। उस सभी कार्यक्रमों में हाई कोर्ट के मुख्य न्यायाधीश और दूसरे न्यायाधीश उपस्थित रहे। सभापति महोदय, 1981 में जब इस देश में मांग उठी,